guys, welcome back to class. Today, we're going to learn how to make negative sentences and questions in the present continuous. And trust me, after this video, you'll use it like a pro. To make the negative form, we use am, is, or are, plus not, plus verb, plus ing. Look at the examples. I am not studying. He is not watching TV. We are not playing today. They are not listening. Super simple. Now let's look at contractions. Contractions are very common in English. We use them to speak faster and sound more natural. For example, I am not becomes I'm not. We never say I amn't. Is not becomes isn't. Are not becomes aren't. We use contractions a lot in conversations. That's it. All right, guys. Now, repeat after me, slowly. I'm not studying. She isn't working. They aren't listening. Good job. Remember, the verb be must match the subject, always. Now, let's make questions. To make questions, we start with am, is, or are. Then the subject. Then the verb with ing. Look at the order. Am, is, or are, plus subject, plus verb ing. Let's see some examples. Are you studying? Is he eating? Is she coming now? Are they playing soccer? Am I doing this right? Now let's look at WH questions. We use WH questions to ask for more information, not just yes or no. Common WH words are what, where, who, why, and how. We use what to ask about things. We use where to ask about places. We use who to ask about people. We use why to ask for reasons. And we use how to ask about the way something happens. The structure is WH word plus am, is, or are, plus subject, plus verb, plus ing. Now it's your turn. Write your answers in the comments. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, and follow or subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next one.